Alright guys, and welcome to this particular video. So very quickly right here, we are going to be talking about few simple things right here concerning this particular platform that I've showed you guys earlier called ByTrading. Alright, so if for those of you who haven't heard about ByTrading before, ByTrading is simply a prediction platform or a gaming platform whereby you get to win or lose depending on how good you are on the game. So it's very simple. Previously I made the video about this particular platform where I actually explained a lot of things about this platform right here. This was the video I made it 4 days ago. So I made that video and a lot of you got really interesting stuff about it, and I also introduced you guys to the signal group where signals are dropped every single time. The signal are dropped 2 times in a day, and of course the 2 times is dropped each time. Each stage contains about 5 trading opportunities, so if you input it correctly, you are very likely to get a winning trade. So it's very simple guys, and right now I want to teach you guys just few simple things right here on this particular video, which is of course how to top up your account, and also how you can be able to apply the 8 trade strategy, and also how you can be able to get the daily recharge bonus, the new users bonus, new user demo account bonus, and of course finally how you can be able to get your funds out of this particular platform. So it's very easy. So first of all, like I said, we are going to be talking about how to top up your account. So it's very simple. Now the first thing you need to do is to create an account. Now for you to be able to create an account, the link is going to be on this video's description box. Click on the link to create your account. So it's very simple. So we go ahead right now, click on top up. I want to be topping up 10, so I will click on the top up right now. They are going to be giving you this barcode to scan to be able to send what you want to get funded into your account, or you can simply copy this account this wallet address right here. Remember, it is TRC20, so you go ahead and copy it. I will click on send, then I'm gonna have to paste that address right here real quick. Then I have to put the amount I want to get into my account. Then all right, you need to have TRC Tron token in your wallet before you can be able to perform the transaction. So right now I'll just click on, I'm gonna have to click on confirm. So right now that I've just confirmed this right now, you can see it has been it's currently pending. When I click on it right now, you can see this is all you need to know about this particular the transaction. Now what you need to do next is to copy this. You can see transaction ID, because the transaction ID is needed right here. See? Copy the transaction ID. Once you click on it right now, it's going to load up like this. So once it opens, this is the transaction ID right here. Okay, now that I've copied it, then I will head back right here and I will go ahead and paste this right here. Okay, I'll just paste this right here like this. Okay, now you go ahead and then click on confirm. Now once you click on confirm, you can see it has been submitted successfully, and after 10 minutes or 5 minutes, your account will be topped up immediately. It's now that we have successfully funded our account with $10. Now we have to go to the next step, which is executing the 8 trade strategy. All right, so to be able to execute it, it is very easy. Now go to where you want to place your trade. Now you can see the $10 has reflected right here. Now clicking on simulation, you can still go back to your simulation account and keep on practicing, but if you have practiced enough, then go to real account, then place trade. Now to be able to apply the 8 trade strategy, you simply come over here to calculator. This calculator allows you to calculate how you are going to be placing your trade. For example, I will put 10 right here because I want to be trading with $10. Now it will divide the money into 8 equal parts with how much I need to trade on each. All right, so right now the first trade I'm going to be taking right here is $0.01 dollars. All right, so right now I'm going to have to go back like this, and when I go back at this, then this is where I'm going to be placing my trade. Right, so right now I will select the time frame which I want. So basically on this trading signal, we are only receiving signals on 5 minutes time frame right here, but I'm just going to be placing the trade right here on 1 minute time frame so that the video won't be too long. So over here right now, you can see these are the trades right here that they have taken. You can see a lot of them are winning trade, a lot of them right here are winning trade. So you can pick a trade right here, but all the signals are already, the time for executing them has passed already, so you need to wait until the next day when they are going to be dropping the signal. So right now, going back right now to the ByTrading account, then you can see over here I'm on 1 minute time frame and I need to execute my trade. So right here, to be able to execute the 8 trade strategy, it is very easy. Now scrolling down right here using this calculator, you are going to have to select, like I showed you guys earlier, okay, trading with $10, the first trade is 0.01, so I have to go back like this. Then I have to select my trade type. I will go with small. Then over here I have to place this is supposed to be 0.01. Then I will scroll down right here. I have to place my trade immediately. Now that I've entered the trade, then you have to wait until, let's see the result we are going to have right here. Remember, this once this countdown right here gets to 10, you won't be able to place trade any longer. All right, so over here the countdown is going right now, and when it gets to 0, we get to find out if we won or we lost. All right, so let me check the second trade we are going to take. The second trade is going to be 0.025. Okay, so going back like this, let's see what we have right here. Okay, so that previous trade is off, so we are going with 0.025 right here. I will still go with even. Okay, then I have to place right here 0.025. so I have to place my trade like this. Then I have to confirm it. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. So this is our second trade right now. Remember, we are using the 8 trade strategy. Okay, so let's see what we are going to have right here. You can see the countdown right here. Let's see what we're gonna have. Okay, so over here on this second one, you can see we won this second one. You can see our balance has increased right now. So we're going back to the calculator. Let's see what we're gonna have. The next trade is going to be 0.061. so we have to go back like this immediately. So we are still going to go with even. Then we put the amount we want to use and trade 0.061. okay, then we click on trade right here. We confirm the trade. Okay, now that we have confirmed the trade, let's see the next result we are going to have. Of course, the last trade we are going to take is 5.998. okay, so we go back like this, 5.998. so are we going with even 5.998 using the 8 trade strategy of 5.998. right, I will click on trade right now. So right now, entering this trade right now, you can see we are now in. Let's see what we are going to have right now. And remember, assuming that we lost everything right here, we can still ask the company for compensation. I remember that whatever you got, you can still withdraw it back to your I know whatever you lose, you can still ask for compensation. The company is going to compensate you for losing. All right, so it is very, very simple as that. All right, so just wait for it to load up completely. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. So remember, in case you're wondering how the whole game works, so this is this right here. Okay, so this is the whole game plan. You can see correlation, I won the last trade. Okay, you can see I won the last trade. You can see right now my balance has gone up beyond my usual balance, which is $10 that I use. So right now, using the 8 trade strategy, you are very much likely to actually win. So that is how easy it is. When you actually recharge your account, you actually get extra. Okay, so when you are recharging every single day, you get extra. And another thing is, if you are a new user on this platform, then you are using simulation accounts. If you are using a simulation account, then let me change to simulation account. Over here on simulation account, now you can see if you are using a simulation account and you are practicing how you can be able to trade on this platform, at some point you are going to be able to get reward for trading on the simulation account. You get reward for that. Now that we have actually learned how we can be able to trade using the 8 trade strategy, now let me show you how you can be able to make your withdrawal. So over here on withdrawal, I will click on withdrawal right now. I will specify the amount I want to withdraw. Remember, the minimum you can withdraw is of course 10 USDT and the fee is of course 1 USDT. So I'm withdrawing through TRC20 network. So I'm actually going to be withdrawing. My total balance is 12.5, right? From the $10 which I deposited, I will pay 12.5. 12.5. Okay, so right now this is already my address. Okay, this was my first address. I'm not using this address again, so I'm using this address right now. So this is the address that I have right here. Okay, my bad, let me show you real quick. So on Tron, let me take you to tokens. You can see this is my USDT on Tron network. So I will click on it and click on, you know, I'm trying to find my address right here. Okay, where's the receive button? Okay, I will go back like this. Okay, coming over here. Okay, so this is my Tron network address right here. So it is the same exact results. Sorry, the same exact address. This is it. Let me show you here real quick. So this is the address right here, TUV, starting it ending with 5 EV. So this is the same address that I have right here. So now that I specify the amount I want to withdraw, I will click on withdraw right now, and immediately I click on withdraw, you can see the withdrawal application have been submitted, and right now my balance has actually gone back. All right, so right now in just a short moment, about 5 to 10 minutes, the withdrawal is going to drop right into my wallet. All right, so it is very, very easy as that. And right now you have seen how I was able to deposit 10 USDT, and after the whole 8 trade strategy which I took on this particular video, you saw right now I'm withdrawing about 12.5 USDT. Now this doesn't mean that the website will always be on the winning side. There are some downside if you are not lucky enough, or if you didn't execute the 8 trade strategy enough perfectly enough, then you are not going to be able to get the same exact results. So as you are probably going to start with this prediction market, then it's very, very important for you to have at the back of your mind that there are chances that you could win very well, and there are chances that you could also lose. All right, so for the sake of the video, the video is becoming too long, so I'm going to have to pause the video until after the whole trade. Then after the deposit, after what I've withdrawn right now from the ByTrading platform gets into my wallet, I'm going to be resuming the video. All right.